mine is over here. So this is stock. I think on stock it's pretty quiet. So I'd say like stock is pretty subtle. Not a ton going on. You know, the cabin's real quiet. So checking out the Madness exhaust on startup, a lot more of a deep kind of burble. I don't know if that's the technical term, but just a lot more action, some popping, maybe a little bit more engine noise or something, just more character. So it sounds really good. The tips are really nice. They actually fit with the car. They're not fake false tips like on stock. It looks real clean, real nice. So I really like it. Very nice job.